Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to show us how to solve this tricky exponential equation. Right, solution. Now what we are going to do is we are going to divide both sides by 5 raised to power x. Alright, so we divide through by 5 raised to power x. It means we divide this by 5 raised to power x, and we also divide this by 5 raised to power x. Alright, so by the time we cancel the 5 raised to power x, we have 1, because this divided by this will give us 1. So it means what we have now is we have 2 raised to power x over 5 raised to power x equals to 1. Alright, one of the laws of exponents says that if we have a raised to power x over b raised to power x, it's the same thing as a over b everything raised to power x. Right, that's what we are doing there. So here we have 2 over 5 everything raised to power x equals to, another one says that a raised to power 0 it's 1, that is anything raised to power 0 will give us 1. And since we're having 2 over 5 here as the base, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to write this as 2 over 5 raised to power 0. Alright, so that we can have equal bases, since this will give us 1. Now we can equate the powers. Okay, so equate the powers. Alright, when I equate the powers, it means this cancel this. That gives x to be equal 0. So it means x equals 0. We can quickly check. Okay, let's quickly check. We have 2 raised to power 0 equals to 2 raised to power x equals to 5 raised to power x. And then we say our x equals 0. So let's see. So we have 2 raised to power 0 equals to 5 raised to power 0. 2 raised to power 0 will give us 1. 5 raised to power 0 will give us 1. That means that our answer is valid. X equals to 0. Now let's try something similar. Let me give us something similar. Let's try this. Let's solve 3 raised to power x minus 2 equals to 7 raised to power x minus 2. Right, so let's solve this and drop our answer in the comment section. Thanks guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. See you next time.